Hi guys, so day one, we're drinking water, lots of 1 liter. Number two, for breakfast, we're having banana, 2 oranges, 2 teaspoons of flax seeds, hemp seeds. You will see I'm adding, let's have a look, just to remind me. When I blend it, I put it, I cut it all small. I don't have a big blender. I do actually, but I don't have here with me. So I do it half, make sure that it's become more liquid, and then I add some more. And at the end, I will add as well the spinach. So if you ever do any smoothies in the morning, the best thing I find in the morning, if I have a smoothie, I really have huge amount of energy. So in the morning you burn the energy anyway. You're very, very active. So yeah, have a fruit as much as possible in the morning. So here I'm adding some more bananas and oranges. And yeah, the flax seeds, I struggle here to open up. But hemp seeds and obviously flax seeds, it should be eaten every single day. There are many benefits, but I'm not going to go about it because I can start going and talk too much about other things. So spinach I will add right at the end. And the smoothie is super delicious because it's sweet and it sets you up for the day. If you are hungry because you're starting, listen, just make another one. Today, actually, I've had two. I was hungry this morning. However, this afternoon, I'm really not hungry at all. So as you can see, I put a lot of spinach. Spinach or kale, just put it in. You don't really taste it, but it does do you a world of good. Okay, so I try to do different fruits. So you don't have to have particular orange, what I have here. You can put any fruit you actually like, mango, pineapple. Today I had a pineapple. So yeah, just be creative. I do add as well chia seeds. I maybe did here, I'm not so sure now. But I try to put chia seeds as well, about tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon. So that's it. So simple, takes a few minutes. And look at that. Super delicious. I love it. Every morning, this is what I have. I can go raw forever. But it's not easy. So what I'm trying to say, if you find it difficult, right, here we are. Then I had a snack about an hour and a half later, 2 hours, cherries. I love cherries, so I take a lot of cherries. Water, again, 1 liter of water, so 2 glasses of that. Juice. Do not forget the water. This is a green juice. I made it previously, and basically I juice celery, I put kale as well in there, and apple. So here I just put the juice into blender, plus lots of spinach again. If it's not sweet enough for you, just add apple or pear. It will does the job. It just does it. For me, I don't need to really. I kind of like it bitter now these days. Your taste buds really will change with it. Yeah, I have a green juice every single day, sometimes twice a day. If I'm hungry, I will have it. Just do not skip. If you're hungry, just have it. It's not about losing weight. It's about actually feeling great. That's how I do. Another thing, later on, I have, about 2 hours later, I have cherries. I eat when I'm hungry. So here for dinner, zucchini. I love courgettes. And having them sterilized is just, they are so delicious. You do not realize how delicious they can be. There's no way you could eat one like that. But I sterilize about two or three big ones, so I have a big bowl. So don't be fooled with a bowl. You might think it's a small bowl. It isn't. It's huge. It's very, very big. So I do really like sterilizer. So let's see. I've been doing quite a lot. I try to cut the video down for you so it's not too boring. However, you have to bear with me because I'm not so good with recording. Now the
Yeah,
sauce. For the sauce, I like to put red pepper already prepared, some red pepper, okay, and I buy fabulous baby tomatoes in Sainsbury's. They are so sweet. So if you find any tomatoes that are sweet, just pop them in there. They're just super sweet. And then I've got a couple dates. If they're very dry, just soak them an hour before. Mine are quite moist, so I just put them on. I put sweet paprika in there a little bit, turmeric as well. Yeah, it does. You know, you could actually put a little bit of chili in there, but I didn't have chili with me. But this is quite nice. Well, this one actually is one of my favorites. I can eat this every day if you let me. This is sun-dried tomatoes. I soak them just a couple hours in a water. I keep them all normally in the fridge, just water with sun-dried tomatoes, because I add to everything, to be honest. Yeah. Good. I cannot tell you how good it is. You have to taste it. It's sweet, you know, and I'm a sweet person. I like anything sweet, to be honest. So, yeah, it really is yummy. What I did here, you don't have to, but that's my extra. I like avocado for a bit of more fat. It's a good fat, so half an avocado I put a little bit, and it makes it a bit more creamy, okay? You can be so versatile with it. If you think, oh, I could add this one, don't use salt and pepper, very rare, but sometimes I do. You can put salt and pepper a little bit as well, okay? One thing I have forgot to tell you, through all day, I drink lots of herbal tea. Any herbal tea. If you really miss your coffee, try to do every second day coffee, and just 1 cup, you know, try to clear your system basically. Okay, so herbal tea, if you really have to have coffee, you can have it, you know, 1 every second day, so you're not relying on it. It didn't take a really great picture here because it was too big, obviously. So finished at night with some apricots and melon. Again, it's quite a lot I had to eat. Enjoy the day. I hope you like it. So day 1, it's finished.